Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you where you can check your stats in the Chess Play and Learn application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the More button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then click on the Stats button at the top of the page. And as you can see, here you can check your 7 days, 30 days, 90 days, and the year of your stats. So if you click on any of them, then you can check it, or you can just check the all-time stats. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.